Hey tech lovers, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible deal, the 2025 HUAWEI Original Premium GPS Smartwatch. With a jaw-dropping 90% off, this feature-packed smartwatch is now just $60.42, down from $604.21. Let's unbox this beauty and explore why it's a must-have. Stick around and don't forget to click the link in the description below to buy. Alright, let's get into it. The package includes the watch, a silica gel strap, USB magnetic charging cable, instruction manual, and a sleek box. Right out of the box, this watch screams premium with its 1.43-inch Ultra HD AMOLED display and sapphire crystal glass. The military-grade build and professional 10 ATM IP69K waterproofing make it perfect for diving and outdoor adventures. This smartwatch is loaded with features. First up, the 1.43-inch AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution delivers crystal-clear visuals. Powered by a MediaTek CPU and HarmonyOS, it's compatible with both Android and iOS. The built-in GPS and intelligent dynamic compass are perfect for hikers and adventurers. Plus, it's got Bluetooth 5.3 for seamless calling and notifications. Health tracking? Oh yeah! Monitor your heart rate, blood oxygen, sleep, stress, and even female health metrics. With 150+ sports modes, it's your ultimate fitness companion. The 480 mAh battery lasts up to 15 days, and the extra long standby time means less charging, more living. Oh, and did I mention the Altimeter, Barometer, and full-screen touch control? This watch is a game-changer. At just $60.42, you're getting premium features like a tourbillon, chronograph, and multiple time zone support, all wrapped in a stylish, durable package. Whether you're hitting the gym, diving into the ocean, or just want a sleek smartwatch, this one's for you. Click the link in the description below to grab this deal before it's gone. That's it for today's review. If you're as excited about this HUAWEI smartwatch as I am, smash that like button, drop a comment with your thoughts, and subscribe for more tech reviews. Don't forget to click the link in the description below to buy this incredible smartwatch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.